Remote viewing is a method of obtaining information about an object, a place or event, distant in space or time from the viewer. The process involves the use of focused thought, intention, and visual imagination to send and receive mental images or data to or from a remote location. As a teacher of mediumship, intuition and inspiration, I've taught many students how to use remote viewing to find valuable, accurate information. But the results are often unexpected. A most memorable teaching experience occurred when I was teaching mediumship at the Arthur Findlay College in England. It was the first time my group had approached the subject of remote viewing. For the exercise, the students worked in pairs and took it in turns to give feedback. Bedrooms, bathrooms, and anything valuable were off limits. The instructions were that one partner would describe the entrance to a room in their home in detail. From that information, the student medium would then journey through their mind and describe what they saw next. As the group settled into the exercise, I noticed one pair giggling and trying not to laugh. I smiled that they were enjoying the exercise and my curiosity was aroused. But what followed next was hilarious. The giggling turned into obvious laughter. It intensified until both students were laughing and crying at the same time. They laughed so hard, their stomachs hurt. It became infectious, and everyone else was so distracted that they stopped working and joined in the laughter. But we didn't know why we were laughing. By this point, I was laughing too, and the whole room was filled with laughter. But only 2 people knew the reason. Eventually, things calmed down, and I had to ask the question, what was so funny? The couple explained. They explained that the exercise was to view a kitchen, but when the medium entered, she couldn't believe what she could see and said, "I don't believe it, but I'm seeing a pinball machine in the corner of your kitchen." "Yes," said the partner, "that's correct." Next, the medium saw a one-armed bandit machine. "Yes," said her partner. They started to giggle at this point, and the medium was in disbelief. But as they tried to continue, the medium discovered the kitchen was filled with neon signs and looked more like a casino than a kitchen. Once they and we had all calmed down, her partner explained. "My husband and I married in Vegas and took our honeymoon there. We had such a wonderful wedding and so much fun at the casino. Every anniversary since we married, my husband bought me something to remind me of our wedding, something that you find in a casino. As the kitchen was the largest room in the house, it became our own casino too. As you can see from this experience, you never know what you will find with remote viewing.